In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an AliExpress item. First, let's start by opening the AliExpress app or website. This is your gateway to manage your orders and initiate returns. Whether you prefer using your smartphone or desktop, AliExpress has made sure you can access your account with ease. Simply log in with your credentials and you'll be taken to the home page. This is the starting point for managing all your purchases. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the section labeled My Orders. This is where all your current and past orders are conveniently listed. Now, why is this step important? Because My Orders provides you with a comprehensive overview of everything you've bought, allowing you to manage each item individually. It's a powerful tool for keeping track of your purchases and order history. From there, you'll need to select the specific order you want to return. This step is crucial because you must choose the correct item to ensure that your return process begins smoothly. Review your list of orders and click on the one that matches the product you need to return. This ensures that you're addressing the right order and helps avoid any potential confusion. After selecting the order, look for the button that says Returns or Refunds, or sometimes Open Dispute. This button is your entry point into the return process. By clicking this, you're communicating to AliExpress that you have an issue with the item you received. It's an essential action because it sets the entire return process in motion. Next up, choose the option labeled Return and Refund. This choice is typically straightforward, but it's important because it clearly indicates to AliExpress that you want to both send back the product and receive your money back. Selecting this option ensures that your intentions are clear to the seller and to AliExpress support. Now you'll need to select the reason for your return. This is more than just a formality. Providing a detailed and accurate reason helps both AliExpress and the seller understand the problem with the item. It could be something like the product not matching the description or arriving damaged. Being honest and precise here can speed up the process. After choosing the reason, submit the return request. This step is where you officially notify AliExpress of your return intentions. By submitting, you create a record of your request within their system. Once submitted, you can rest assured that your request is being processed. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen. With that ready, it's time to wait for approval from AliExpress. This might take a few days, during which AliExpress reviews your request and communicates with the seller. Patience is key here, as this waiting period is essential for the company to ensure everything is in order. Once approved, you'll receive further instructions on how to proceed with the return. And there you have it. The process of returning an item on AliExpress is designed to be as straightforward and user-friendly as possible. Following these steps carefully ensures that your return is handled efficiently and you get your refund without hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.